Mr. Trump! In the world of the early 20th century, Mary Anne McLeod, whose presence was as striking as the windswept shores of her Scottish homeland, and was slight of build with a sober but ordinary appearance, left Scotland aboard RMS Transylvania on 17th February 1930. With a signature look that would come to symbolize a lineage of power and a hairstyle with a dynamic orange swirl, she was destined to navigate the challenges that lay ahead in the land of opportunity, America. As the RMS Transylvania approached the shores of the United States, a new world awaited. And with it, the beginning of a legacy that would span generations. She arrived in New York to give hope not only to herself, not only to America, but to the whole planet Earth. Her heart carried with it the spirit of the Hebrides, the strength of a woman determined to make her mark. But life in America was not the dream Mary had imagined, not at first. In the bustling streets of New York, she found herself in the most humble of circumstances, working as a maid for wealthy families. She scrubbed floors and polished silver, her hands hardened by the daily grind. But her spirit never wavered in chase of her American dream, like inherited spirit of someone who would be coming soon, very soon. She started not only learning but also practicing discipline with resolve, accomplishment, and honesty, something which will be learned by someone not known to the world, not even known to the young Mary. Yet even in those early days of struggle, Mary Anne held on to her dreams, and fate had something greater in store for her. It was in New York that she met Fred Crump, a man whose ambition matched her own. Fred was having his ancestral roots in Germany, from where his parents Elizabeth and Friedrich immigrated together. Mary and Fred would build a life that neither could have imagined. And on June 14, 1946, in the quiet neighborhood of Jamaica Estates, Queens, Mary Anne gave birth to a son, a boy who would grow to be larger than life, a figure who would one day reshape the very fabric of American society. His name, Donald John Trump. But joy of their fourth child, Donald Trump, was soon haunted by some nightmare events for the family. Events which, though a nightmare for Mary, but made her resilient towards achieving the American dream. But what happened that made the family even more strong? Watch the next episode. Stay tuned and keep watching Mr. Tom. Hit that subscribe button, like or dislike, and do comment. Mr. Tom.